Hello students, this is my video on trigonometric identity. Okay, in this video I will discuss some question on the basis of this. This video for class 10th mathematics. My name is Rajan Kumar. What is the question? To prove that 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta multiplied by sin theta minus cos theta, and the answer will come in the form of sec and cosec. Okay, cosec and sec. What I will do? I just break the form of tan theta in sin by cos and cot theta in the form of cos and sin, and just do the multiplication. Look at this, how I am doing. LHS it is 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta, and here it is sin theta minus cos theta. Okay, I hope you are ready for understanding. Now 1 plus tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, and cot theta means cos theta by sin theta. Okay, I just keep in the bracket. Now here it is sin theta minus cos theta. Now my dear students, here it is, take LCM, sin cos. Now it is 1 by 1. 1 divides sin cos, the sin cos will multiply. So here it is sin cos. Now plus cos divide both, okay? The cos will cancel, sin and sin will multiply, sin square, and there it is, sin divide this, cos remaining, cos multiply, cos square. Keep in the bracket, and then it is sin minus cos. Look my dear, here it is, look like same it is, a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab form. You know what is the formula of this? A minus b, a square plus b square plus ab form. This is the formula of aq minus bq. So why not break in the format of this? It is a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab. Okay, so why not put this in the form of aq minus bq. So here it is a sin and b is cos. The sin q minus cos q divided by sin cos. Okay. Now what I will do? Sin cube theta by this, then cos cube theta by this. So look at this. Sin cube theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Now minus cos cube theta divided by sin theta cos theta. Now what will happen? This cos and this cos cube multiply and they divide, it becomes cos square. And this sin cube divided sin square. Now what will happen now? Sin square will go down as cosec square theta, and cos will come up. Similarly, cos square will come down sec square, and sin will come up cosec theta. So here the cos will go up sec theta by cosec square minus, okay, minus it is what? Here it is cosec theta minus, okay, cosec theta minus sec square theta. This is the RHS. Okay, again I am going to discuss this one. 1 plus tan plus cot. Tan means sin by cos, cot means cos by sin, and it is sin minus cos. Just take the LCM, cos sin, and sin cos LCM. 1 it is. So 1 divides sin cos, sin cos, what is sin cos? Cos divide cos, sin into sin square. Sin divide sin cos, sin cancel, cos square, and remaining same. So here a square plus b square plus ab, a minus b. So it is a format of a minus b, a square plus b square plus ab, that means aq minus bq. Okay. So how could I do this one? So here it is aq minus bq formula. In the place of a, sin, and the place of b, cos. The aq minus bq. Now this sin cube divided by sin cos separately, and then cos cube divided by sin cos separately. So look, sin and sin cube cancel sin square, and cos cube cancel cos square. Cos square will go down sec square, and sin will come up cosec theta. Sin square will go down cosec square, and cos will come up sec theta. So sec theta by cosec square minus cosec theta by sec square. This is a demand of RHS. Now RHS I have written. Let me discuss some questions on the basis of this. Look at this. Some more questions. Look. Question number 2. What is the question is 2? Question number 2 is it is sine to prove that sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta equal to 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. Okay, 1 minus 3 sine square theta cos square theta. So now LHS sine to the power 6 theta plus cos to the power 6 theta. So we can write here AQ plus BQ form. So here it is sine square whole cube plus cos square whole cube. AQ plus BQ form. Look at this. AQ plus BQ formula it is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB A plus B. Okay. AQ plus BQ formula it is A plus B whole cube minus 3AB A plus B. Now it is A and it is B. Put on this. A plus B, it is A, it is B. A plus B whole cube minus 3A B and here A plus B. A plus B. ठीक है? तो look here. AQ plus BQ form A plus B whole cube minus 3AB A plus B. It will be 1 because sine square plus cos square 1. Here also sine square plus cos square 1. So we can write 1 cube minus 3 sine square sine theta cos theta sine square theta cos square theta into 1. That is in the format 1 minus 3 sine square cos square. This is the origin. Okay, look again. Sine to the power 6 theta, cos to the power 6 theta. So we can write sine square to the whole cube, cos square to the whole cube. The whole it is taken as A, the whole it is taken as B. So AQ plus BQ format. AQ plus BQ format A plus B whole cube minus 3AB A plus B. Why don't we put the formula A and B in this formula? A plus B whole cube minus 3AB A plus B. Now A is sine square, B is cos square. Sine square plus cos square 1 cube is 1, okay, minus 3 sine square cos square into 1. So result will be 1 minus 3 sine square cos square, and that is the RHS. Now next question. Now third question. Third question is there. If tan theta plus sin theta equal to m and tan theta minus sin theta equal to m to prove that m square minus n square equal to 4 under root mn. 4 under root mn. How? So look, it is just I am going with the LHS. Okay, LHS is m square minus n square. Okay, solution is m value is tan plus sin whole square m value, and n value is tan minus sin tan theta minus sin theta whole square. Okay, the tan plus sin whole square n value, tan minus sin whole square n value. Now here it is a plus b whole square, a minus b whole square. So look, tan square plus sin square plus 2 tan theta sin theta. Now here it is minus tan square sin square minus 2 tan theta sin theta. Okay, if you break the bracket, tan square sin square will cancel, 2 tan sin and 2 tan sin become 4 tan sin. Okay, We can write 4 tan sine as a 4 under root tan square sine square. Okay. Yeah, we can write here 4 under root sec square theta minus 1 sine square. Okay. Now 1 by 1 multiply 4 under root sec square theta. Okay. Let me more light should be done. है ना 4 under root sec square sin square minus sin square. Okay, and we know that sec square means cos square downside. We can write here 4 under root sec square will go downside, cos square. So sin square by cos square become tan square. Tan square minus sin square. Now it is 4 a square minus b square tan plus sin, and here it is tan minus sin. Okay, so 4 under root, it is the value of m and it is 10. It is the RHS. Look at this again. Tan plus sin m given and tan minus sin n given. We have to prove that m square minus n square is equal to 4 under root mn. So just go with the LHS. M value is this, n value is this. A plus b whole square, I just break it, minus a minus b whole square, I just break it. If you break the bracket, tan square and sin square will cancel. 2 tan sin minus 2 tan sin will remain. The 2 tan sin become 4 tan sin. अब देखो